Yo, what's up my good people, it's your boy MGM. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and kindly if you are new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for the returning subscribers, thank you very much for coming back and watching my videos. So this is another amazing video, and it's about one of our guys by the name Facundo. Okay, he used to work with us, but it was the last day for him working with us, so we had to do a farewell. And they were my colleagues. Popito, I don't know what the meaning of that one. Okay, we had so amazing guys we used to work with. As you can see, this guy by the name Renzo, he hold that bottle for cooking. And this is a group, we had a photo all together. They were guy amazing. We used to work with Shetty there. And we had this our annual party, so they had a celebration. I wasn't there. See how they are carrying that guy, he was so amazing. And another guy from Uruguay, oh my god. And our chef Leo. So guys, enjoy the video until the end, because that means a new beginning. Hey, papi. Papi. It's enough.
Oh, wait,
Hey.
Pastry. Okay, that's one. What's her face?
Okay. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. No.